Hello everyone, my name is Quinty. I'm in class D5 and today I will talk about medicine then and now. Introductions. Finding cures. In 1715, doctors have discovered cures for many diseases. They have also learned how to prevent some viruses and bacteria from making people ill. Medicines in the future. Medicine is very different today from how it was in the past. What will medicine be like in the future? Finding cures. Vaccines in the past. Vaccines are medicines that teach a person's body how to stop a disease in the future. Smallpox is a disease that killed millions of people. In the past, doctors in Asia and Africa put smallpox scabs up healthy person's nose to give them a weak smallpox disease. This worked as a vaccine on some people, but it killed others. In 1996, a British doctor called Edward Jenner made smallpox vaccines from a cowpox, a disease that cows had. This vaccine stopped thousands of people dying from smallpox. Finding cures. Vaccines today. Today, doctors and nurses inject vaccines. They use a needle to put the vaccines into a person's arm or another part of the body. The vaccine is a weak type of virus or bacteria. When a vaccine is inside the body starts to make antibodies to attack the vaccines. Antibodies are substances in the blood that can kill viruses or bacteria. When the body has learned how to make the antibodies, it's ready to kill viruses or bacteria when they get inside the body. This prevents the person getting that disease in the future. Bacteria and disease. In 1864, a French scientist called Louis Pasteur discovered that bacteria in past could cause disease. Then he had the idea that you could prevent disease from stopping bacteria getting into the body. A British surgeon called Joseph Lister used Louis Pasteur's ideas to make the first antiseptics. Antiseptics were substances that could kill bacteria until use surgery. They could also kill bacteria that make one become infected. This stopped many people dying after they had surgery. Penicillin. A penicillin was the world's first antibiotic. Antibiotics are drugs that can cure illness caused by bacteria. Before penicillin, people could die from a small one in the skin if bacteria made the ones become infected. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, but two other scientists, Howard Florey and Ernst Chain, tested penicillin to find out if it was safe to use. They also made penicillin that they could inject. Penicillin helped thousands of one soldiers during World War II between 1939 and 1945. Since that time, penicillin has saved the lives of millions of people. Medicine in the future. Living longer. Medicine has helped people to live longer. It helped people to live longer than before very much. Medicines for everyone. In some places in the world, even today, many people die from disease that can be cured. This is usually because they don't have enough money, so medicines for everyone is very important. New medicines. In the future, scientists will discover new medicines. New ideas. Some hospitals use robots, doctors with computer screens and cameras that doctor and patients can talk to other doctors or the hospitals. Surgeons also use robots to help them to do operations. In the future, doctors also use tiny robots called nanobots. Doctors will inject nanobots into a patient plus so that the nanobots can move around inside the patient's body and discover what is wrong. In the future, maybe robot surgeons will do operation. Now scientists are also developing medicine to help people to grow new fingers and other body parts when they are one. There will be more surprise and new discoveries in medicine in the future. Staying healthy. The best way to stay well is to stay healthy. Try to have a healthy diet and drink 8 glasses of water every day and more when it's hot. Keep clean, take a shower often, brush your teeth every day and wash your hands after going to the toilet and before you eat. Most of us know that exercise helps us to stay healthy, but did you know that people do more exercise if they do a sport that they like or that they can do with friends? What do you do to stay healthy? That is end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.